The recent dropping of Govind Gaude from the cabinet by Dr. Pramod Sawant is a reflection that the BJP is intolerant to those who expose corruption. This seems to be their policy of intolerance to corruption. It is definitely not a stitch in time to save the failures of this government. There are several charges of corruption on several ministers, and I believe that it is the prerogative of the Chief Minister to choose who should be a minister in his cabinet. But one thing from what is happening in Goa today, across the state, several charges of corruption against several ministers, but this seems to be selective. And one thing for sure, that the people of Goa in 2027 will make sure that most of these people will have to pack their bags and to be sent home in the 2027 elections.